not a whole lot to say. It's a 2001 Lightning, 21,000 miles, super clean. Let's take it for a rip. Always love me a second gen Lightning, and this one is a 2001 Lightning with a documented 21,409.1 miles as of this video. It is a clean Carfax, clean Autocheck, no accidents or damage ever reported on this one, and just a really clean, very nice truck. Has its original Eaton Supercharged 5.4, making 380 horsepower and 450 foot-pounds of torque. Does have an aftermarket exhaust. It's like mufflers and tailpipes. So other than that, really stock mechanically. Has the 4R100 automatic overdrive transmission that these trucks were born with, and it drives like a 21,000 mile truck should drive like. No weird shakes, no weird sounds. Motor's got great power. Transmission shifts through the gears exactly like it should, and a truck you can drive every single day if you want to. Just a low mileage Lightning. You obviously have your power steering, your power disc brakes, your factory heat and AC, all of which works exactly like it should. Did touch on it a second ago, but you do have aftermarket mufflers and then basically tailpipes and then tips coming out in the factory location, but it's an aftermarket tip. It's like a polished tip. Exhaust sounds good, just a little bit louder than what the factory was. But not crazy loud, no major drone or anything like that. I love to hear the supercharger whine on these, so when you get an exhaust system that's just a little bit too loud and you kind of lose some of that motor, that supercharger whine, I think that's the coolest thing on these trucks is that sound. So having a little combination of both is great. On the interior, it's the medium graphite interior with the suede. Fantastic seat cover. The dash is in fantastic condition as well. Headliner visors, no issues with any of that. Factory stereo, factory heat and AC controls, push button cup holders, got the little plastic that opens and closes there. Same thing with your glove box, all of which is nice. You have your flip open center console with your fold down middle seat here. A couple little scuffs in the center of the steering wheel where the airbag is. There's like some little wear items. Again, just like a couple little scuffs in the material there. Door panels look good, plastic's all nice in here. Really, interior's in great condition. No bolster wear on the edge of the seat from getting in and out. You have your creature comforts, tilt, cruise, all that works properly as well. Carpet looks good, floor mats look good. Again, I can't really complain about anything on this interior. It's really nice. You have your overhead console. You have your little map lights, which work properly. As far as the doesn't work section, lights, gauges, horn, wipers, radio, heat, AC, parking brake, cruise control, all of your power options, all of are working exactly like they should. The doesn't work section will be found on the website pcclassiccars.com. Click on the inventory tab, scroll to this Lightning, scroll to the very bottom, and you will see the additional media section, which has got the Carfax, the Autocheck, photos of the little imperfections, and then the doesn't work section as well will be posted on there. We're warmed up good, so let's go ahead and test out the Supercharged 5.4. Exactly like it should. Again, you gotta love that Eaton Supercharger whine. These trucks are really fun stock. They are also really fun with a couple upgrades, like an upgraded pulley, do a tune on them, little things here and there. They run really well stock, but with, again, some little tweaks, they can make really good power. That transmission, again, shifts exactly like it should, where it's supposed to, how it's supposed to. On the underneath, the floors are great. The inner rockers, the frame, no problems of any kind on the bottom, no rust issues. It's a good, solid, clean, original pickup on the underneath. On the exterior, it's code YC, which I believe is Oxford White was the name of the paint code, but it's a factory white Lightning. Looks like the front bumper's been repainted, a couple other little spots here and there. Some little imperfections on the roof, other little touch-ups walking around the Lightning. Again, it's 25 years old, so you have some little things here and there, but it still is super clean. Doors open and close well. You have brand new tires, nice wheels. You have a really nice bed cover in the back. This one doesn't have a spray and bed liner, which is what I prefer on these sports trucks. And the inside of the bed is great. You can take that bed cover off if you want to, but it looks well, probably been on the truck since close to when it was new. The flaws on this truck will be found in the additional media section on the website, pcclassiccars.com. But it's all minor stuff, nothing to write home about. Just little touch-ups, little imperfections here and there. Downshift's good. Turn signal switch is nice and tight. As far as your suspension goes, Everything checks out like it should. It's all factory Lightning equipment. Front end feels nice and tight. No weird squeaks, no rattles. It's not pulling you either direction. I would hop in this thing and go anywhere someone would want to go. It's a ready to go Lightning. You do have your power adjustable driver seat over here. Get comfortable. You can slide forward, slide back, and then you have your manually sliding back portion of the seat. The way that these trucks are set up with the console, the way I drive, it's again an enjoyable driving experience. No major glass issues. Side windows roll up and down like they should. You do have your manually sliding rear glass in the back. Rear view mirrors clear and easy to see out of. Both of your mirrors on the left and the right look good. The driver's side mirror has a couple little scuffs in the actual glass, but it's, again, minor stuff there. Power locks also work. Power mirrors work. You have your headlight switch, which works properly. You have your overdrive button, which kicks on, kicks off like it should. Get a little heavier on the brakes here, which are working properly as well. Roll into it a little bit here. Smooth, easy power. Starting to get a little bit more difficult to find this second gen Lightning with low miles that aren't crazy expensive. You'll find them with really low mile, like collector grade. And then you'll find them with a bunch of miles because people bought these and drove the wheels off of them. So this one with 21,000 miles and being white, I think it's a great combo. And again, it's just a really nice truck. In the engine compartment, it's really OE spec in there. Factory numbers matching Eaton Supercharged 5.4. All of the wiring, the hoses, serviceable items like fluids and belts, all checks out like they should. Really no problems of any kind in there, and it's a ready to go truck. A couple other little notes on the inside here. Your kick panels look great. I don't see any real scuff marks on those. You have your hood release under the dash here on the driver's side. Same thing with your e-brake release, which works properly. Your gauges were functioning like they should. Bottom side of the visors look good on both sides there. We'll pull out here from a dead stop, see if we can't get a little tire chirp from it. Actually, these pretty much burn the tires down if you get in them from a dead stop, so we'll see how it does. As always, I'm Michael. This is a 2001 Ford Lightning with 21,415 actual miles. From myself and everybody here at PC Classic Cars, we appreciate y'all stopping in to watch another one of our test drives. Make sure you check out that additional media section on the website, pcclassiccars.com. Check out the content we're posting across the social platforms every single day. Catch you guys on the next video.